car slide, several runoff rapid. Riders today all have to know what to do in this kind of environment. No bounds or particles are allowed on wheels. One of you slowly and safely accelerated to lower automatically. For test drive, visible speed during the trip. Watch your children. Not down close to the stand. Para que todos
swap. So you'll be on 2 and he'll be on 1. And just stand on those same numbers straight behind the yellow line.
Can't swing it.
No.
Or balance. Wait, they're behind us.
Scoot back a little bit. Yeah. Hold on. What?
Oh, so that's what you do? It just looks like you just flying off in the top. Oh, that's bad. It goes so fast.
There you go.
No, that's bad. I don't know that. Almost up. Do you think they made this hill, or do you think this hill was already here?
The what?
Do you think they made this hill, or do you think the hill was already here?
They made it. What?
Yeah, look at all the hair ties.
What? Why are there so many hair ties?
I don't know.
Restraint lift. Step away from the chair and immediately head off to your adventure.
Once you pass that yellow line, you're gonna hop out, go all the way out the exit door.